Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll show you how to easily set up the Xiaomi N300 Wi-Fi range extender step by step. You'll learn how to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network using the Mi Home app and extend your internet signal to areas with poor coverage. Follow along as we guide you through the simple installation process, so you can enjoy better Wi-Fi throughout your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Xiaomi N300 Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the main extender unit, which is compact and plugs directly into a power outlet. Along with that, there's a user manual that provides basic setup instructions to help you get started. The package is simple and doesn't include many extra accessories, as the device is designed for easy installation and use. So let's start the setup process. Insert the extender into a power outlet near your router for the initial setup. Wait until the LED light starts blinking, indicating it's ready for pairing. On your computer or smartphone, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, usually named something like Xiaomi_rep_xxxx. In the browser's address bar, type in the default IP address for the extender, usually 192.168.31.1 or 192.168.1.1, and press enter. The web-based interface will prompt you to log in. The default username and password are often both admin unless specified otherwise in the user manual. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password, and let the device configure itself. Once set up, place the extender in a weak signal area within your Wi-Fi range. The LED light will turn steady once it's successfully connected. This web-based setup allows you to configure the extender without the need for an app. By following these steps, you can easily do the TP-Link Re700X extender setup. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.